Okay, I gotta get off of this, please. That was completely... What does he have? He has my phone! Oh my God! Oh, fuck! He got my phone! I don't know where anybody is now. Shit! Oh God. I'm back. Nobody said anything in chat. What? What's too small? I can't read anything. He's pulling my leg. This is not nice. I cannot. Mick Jagger, why don't you do something about this situation? Please. Ouch. I can't live like this. I am never going to say I want a puppy again. No.